In this episode, Kermit gets new shoes. Well, new wheels, hubcaps, well, refurbished. Anyways, here we go.
Completely different from the old incandescent. Wow, that looks nice. Leave that in the video.
Okay, next thing I'm fixing up is the hubcaps. Boy, do they need some work. Here, let me show you. Check this out. Well, I mean, what could I do? Could I paint it? Yeah, I don't want to do that. But so I was looking around on the internet and asked on a couple of the bump forums what they've done with their hubcaps, and somebody had suggested Billy Adams, that he had decals like this. These just came in the mail. Check this out. Look at that. So these will go on there, but I have to, and another one. I think he gave what, 5 of them, so I could mess up and get one wrong, and then learn from it and get them all on there right. But that's what I'll be working on next. Let's go ahead and get that hubcap off of there. That was easy. Looks like I might need to go ahead and paint those wheels as well. Wimbeldon White, I believe. Okay, hubcaps are off. Let's take a look at them. This one, I mean, I can't even see where there's any of the original paint left. A little bit here on the slots on the side. This one, well, the paint's mostly there, but it's scratchy. Not perfect. Same thing here, front wheel. That inner ring is there. Piece of green paint too. I don't know where that came from. But this is all gone here. This one's got a little bit of paint left, but not much. Okay, let's polish these out. Okay, that's it. I'm done. I used an aluminum polishing compound on it, and then added some rubbing compound to that so I could get it to polish a little faster. Now, you can see I wasn't trying to remove the paint here. See that? It's all right. It's still there. This is a decal. It's going to go right over the top of that. And you know, I got lucky because my glasses just fell apart. All right. I got lucky because I didn't have a lot of dents in these. They weren't that bad. Okay, all washed off, soaped up, dried off, ready for decals. Okay, decals go on. According to Billy Adams' instructions, the big ring goes on first. There we go. Water with just a little bit of soap in it. Then dab off the excess water and a blow dryer. Billy's instructions suggest that this larger piece, because it's on a dome, is going to need to be kind of stretched out a little bit because it's on a curved surface. There we go. Yep, I see that here. Oh, and over there. Then all these little inner pieces on the crown. That's better. Okay, get the excess water off of that. And then the outside slots. Not much more to go. Okay, next let's turn it back into the shade and start working on the wheels. Okay, original 16.5-inch Ford Steely wheels, and you can see here it needs some paint. Need to scrub it down, sand it, and get it looking like this. So this one is scrubbed down, this one is sanded. Ended up using some brake cleaner and some simple green, and then a little bit of sanding, and it's ready for prime. I'm leaving the rims on, so I'm going to go ahead and use the old card trick. Deck of cards. As long as you don't mind using them, a mismatched set. Just stick them in there, and then you can paint. Okay, I'm going to use an adhesion promoter. This is a clear primer. It really allows the paint to really attach itself, and on a wheel that's something you need. And then I'm going to use a Wimbeldon White Ford original color. Okay, now here's a tip on putting hubcaps on. If you've never put one on before, you don't smash them and hammer them, you'll dent the hubcap. So you put the lower part on first, and then put your hands kind of together and push up, and then most of the time, I've got new paint so I don't know, should be able to just lift up and put it on there. And if you don't, then it's just a quick You're supposed to be able to just push up and get it on there. And that's how you put a hubcap on. Okay, let's do the big reveal. Let's see how it looks. Look at that. That turned out nice. Nice, shiny, original 1968 hubcaps. Original Wimbeldon White. All the way around. Ooh, that looks good. All right, project done. So, project's done. Wheels look great. Hey, if you like this episode, smash that subscribe button. We can see more episodes, especially if you hit the bell. That'll give you notifications that more episodes are coming up. That's it for now. Thank you for watching.